उड़ू ऊंचा।
You know, these are the letters of the alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. You remember the beginning A sound like as in a ant, a alligator, a apple. But today we will learn the sound of the vowel A. It's known to be long A sound. Let's look at this picture. This baby is so cute. He is dressed like an alien. 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 Notice the A sound. Alien. This lady with an apron bakes a cake. Apron. Apron. L-A-D. Lady. L-A-D. Lady. There are papers on the table. Papers. P-A-pers. Papers. P-A-pers. Papers. T-A-ble. Table. T-A-ble. Table. The monkey is going crazy because the tree is very shaky. C-R-A-Z, crazy. Sh-A-Key, shaky. All these have a long A sound in the middle of the words. P-A-pers, papers. T-A-ble, table. L-A-D, lady. C-R-A-Z, crazy. Sh-A-key, shaky. B-A-B, baby.
Like, share and subscribe.